10 Rosemary health benefits. Rosemary is more than just a fragrant herb for seasoning dishes. For centuries, it has been valued for its healing properties and natural compounds that support overall well-being. From improving memory to aiding digestion, rosemary health benefits are extensive and backed by tradition as well as modern research. Here are the health benefits of rosemary you should know. 1. Boosts memory and focus. The aroma of rosemary may sharpen concentration and improve recall, supporting brain health. 2. Rich in antioxidants, its high levels of antioxidants protect the body from cell damage and slow down signs of aging. 3. Supports digestion. Rosemary stimulates bile flow, helping the body break down fats and ease indigestion or bloating. 4. Strengthens immunity. With antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary helps the body defend against infections. 5. Encourages hair growth. Rosemary oil stimulates scalp circulation, which may reduce hair thinning and promote growth. 6. Reduces inflammation. Its natural compounds help ease muscle soreness, joint stiffness, and chronic inflammation. 7. Improves circulation. Rosemary promotes blood flow, which benefits cardiovascular health and warms cold extremities. 8. Supports liver health. It assists in detoxification and protects the liver from damage caused by toxins. 9. Natural antimicrobial. Rosemary has antibacterial properties that can help maintain oral health and preserve food naturally. 10. Lifts mood and reduces stress. Inhaling rosemary's aroma can reduce tension, improve mood, and encourage relaxation. The wide range of rosemary health benefits makes it more than just a kitchen staple. Whether added to meals, brewed as tea, or used as essential oil, this herb offers natural support for mind and body. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.